If basic fixes don't resolve the issue, access the box's diagnostic mode by holding the power button for 5 seconds. This reveals internal diagnostics to identify problems. Alternatively, use the Rogers Ignite app to check for specific error codes like P001 for power issues or H003 for overheating problems. The app provides detailed logs to pinpoint the cause. Looking ahead, Rogers is developing energy-efficient boxes with AI that predict and prevent shutdowns based on usage patterns. Future models will include self-diagnosing capabilities that automatically reboot without user intervention. In the meantime, ensure your box is protected from power surges, particularly in rural areas where voltage can be unstable. Use surge protectors and consider uninterruptible power supplies for consistent performance. If problems persist despite these steps, contact Rogers Support for firmware updates or professional hardware checks to ensure your equipment is functioning properly.